For decades, India earned its reputation as the pharmacy of the world by manufacturing affordable versions of medicines discovered elsewhere. But inventing a brand new drug from scratch, that has remained one of the biggest challenges for India's pharmaceutical industry. Now, an Indian company has done exactly that. On May 30, Wockhardt's antibiotic Zaynich received approval from the US Food and Drug Administration, or the FDA. And that makes history. It is the first new chemical entity fully discovered, developed and commercialized by an Indian pharmaceutical company to receive FDA approval. In simple terms, this molecule did not exist before. It had to be invented. And that journey began back in 2011. This is about far more than a single drug. The target is one of modern medicine's biggest threats: antimicrobial resistance. Simply put, bacteria are evolving faster than many of the antibiotics designed to kill them. The consequences are severe. In the United States alone, drug-resistant infections cause more than 2.8 million infections and over 35,000 deaths every year. Zaynich is designed to tackle some of the toughest gram-negative bacteria, including E. coli, Klebsiella pneumoniae, and Pseudomonas aeruginosa. What makes it different is its approach. While many antibiotics attack a single bacterial target, Zaynich attacks 3 simultaneously, making it much harder for bacteria to develop resistance. The drug was tested in the Phase 3 ENHANCE-1 trial across 64 sites in the United States, Europe, Latin America, China, and India. The results were striking. Zaynich achieved an 89% cure rate in complicated urinary tract infections. The current standard treatment, meropenem, achieved 68.4%. That matters because complicated urinary tract infections lead to more than 600,000 hospitalizations every year in the United States alone. This breakthrough did not happen overnight. Wockhardt has spent roughly $800 million over 2 decades on antibiotic research. Along the way, it screened thousands of molecules and developed 6 novel antibiotic assets. Now, the company believes Zaynich could generate peak annual sales of between $1.5 billion and $2 billion from a market opportunity estimated at $9 billion. The US launch is expected in late 2026 or early 2027, with India expected to follow shortly after. And investors have already taken notice. But the bigger story is not about Wockhardt alone. For years, India's pharmaceutical success was built on manufacturing generic medicines and biosimilars at scale. Zaynich represents something different. For decades, India mastered the art of making medicines. This approval suggests it may now be entering the business of discovering them, and that could mark a defining moment for the future of Indian pharmaceutical innovation. Follow Business Standard for more such stories.